you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have something that I brought back for this month. This is Goddess Provisions. Do you want to see what is inside of December's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I canceled this a few months back, as you guys know, and I saw a spoiler of something that is supposed to be in here, and I had to re-sign up for this month. I only did a one month box because I don't know what I want to do with this one. And when I got it delivered yesterday at work, I first looked at this and I'm like, whoa, this is big. The box grew. What in the world have I missed in the last few months? And luckily in my office, I have a plastic shelving unit and I have all my packing materials, and some of my boxes I do save and stack there. So when I send giveaways to you guys, I have boxes, I have the packing materials, I have the bubble wrap, I have all that stuff there. So I had one of the older boxes still at my office. I mean, look at the difference. Like, there is a big difference in boxes. Like, you can see a huge difference in how they were being sent versus how it is now. So I don't know if they just have a bigger item in here this month, and anytime they have bigger items, this is the boxes they use, but I had them for almost like a year and I always got these boxes. So I'm excited when I saw this big boy. I'm like, wait, is this the same one? Did I order the same thing? So let's go ahead and dive in here and let's see what is all inside of here, and then I'll tell you about them, like the pricing and stuff afterwards. So let's go ahead and cut the tape, and I'm so excited to see why this box is so big. So, what? There's a hue moon. It looks like a pie on there. I don't know. There's this big box, so maybe that's why they had this bigger container. Then there's other things in here. I'm gonna just dump everything out because they still put their card on the very bottom of the box. And I say they should put it on the top so you can go through the box and you have your card, but nope, you have to dump everything out to get to the card at the very bottom. And then look at their box though. This is so cute. Look at all of those words of relaxation, trust, breathe, charge your crystals, manifest your dream life, connect with nature, love, posture, soul. There's just, I love their boxes. So this is the pamphlet for this month. There is the artistry that is so pretty. And when you open her up, there's that. And it says monthly mantra. I find my flow as I tune into my rhymes, cycles, and seasons. And yeah, so this side it does go over the items and the pricing and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and just look at this big hue moon and see what in the world this hue moon is. So this says, oh, it's a moon aromatherapy diffuser. How cool. And this is valued at $22. Okay, so there is a little USB charger in here. There's a little, looks like a filter. That would be like, yeah, looks like a filter. There's instructions, and there is this guy. And it does kind of look like a pie, but I guess it is a moon. Like, how do you even turn this bad boy on? Oh. That's this, I'm like, what in the world is that noise? Listen. Like what in the world are you doing? We have some noises going on. So I don't know if this thing, excuse you, don't be talking back. So I don't know if this thing lights up or anything. I'll probably have to charge it, and then off camera, I'll drop in how this is later and put that in here. Okay, guys, so to use this, it actually needs to be plugged in, and then the power button here just turns on the humidifier by itself. You can see. Then you press it again to add the light cycle. So it goes through the phases of the moon. And then it'll repeat itself, and then if you press it one more time, it turns the whole system completely off. So 1, 2, or you can do a solid hard hold to make it all light up for like a night light. So there you go. But this guy here, again, whoop, 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 whoop. So maybe that's the suction, like, so you just add water to here and then, yeah, that's gotta be it. And then it diffuses. There's a little charging port here for the USB. And then over here, you have this little tiny on and off switch, but pushing it in isn't doing anything right now. Sometimes they'll come with a little bit of charge, so I thought I could see if it lights up, but I don't know if turning this on without water in it would hurt it anyway. So patience is a virtue. I just don't have patience sometimes. But it says on that one, a humidifier, night light, and aromatherapy diffuser all in one. Place this on your nightstand or desk as a reminder to align your daily activities with the moon phase. Ooh, wrong arm. You know I like the moon phases. Okay, so there's item number 1. Now we have, ooh, this is really pretty. And oh, the moon, what did I just say about the moon phases? These are stickers. There's the moon phases, just like my tattoo. Oh my gosh. Goddess Provisions, Crafting Witch, crystals, moon, stars. This is, oh, I like these stickers. Holy moly, I like these stickers. Crafting Witch Lunar Witch stickers. Adorn your dream journal, daily planner, or mobile devices with these eco-friendly stickers made with 100% post-consumer paper that features hand-drawn illustrations to connect with La Luna's beauty and manifestation magic. This is valued at $5, and you can use coupon Witchy20 that saves 20% off at etsy.com/shop/crafting-witch-shop. A special note, these stickers are not waterproof. That's cool that they put that in there, so you're not trying to put it on something that like you would wash or get wet. So there is some stickers, and I really like those. Oh my gosh, I might have to resubscribe to this one again, you guys. I don't know, but I think so. So next is in this little tiny bag. Oh, and it says jewelry. Okay, so let's see what's in here. It's a moon. Fierce Forward Jewelry, where jewelry and inspiration meet. Look how pretty. There's that. So this says Fierce Forward Crescent Moon Necklace. The moon represents your inner world, especially intuition, dreams, and emotions. Wear this close to your heart as a reminder of your deep wisdom that lies within. And this is valued at $37. You can use coupon Fierce Goddess to save 20% off shop.fierceforwardforlife.com. For the best care of this gold-plated brass necklace, remove it before working out or entering water. Do not use perfume, hair products, cosmetics directly on it, and clean with a soft cloth. So there's some good tips on how to care for it as well. So let me go ahead and get this on. This is so pretty. I know I normally don't like gold. I would have definitely preferred if this was silver, but it has a moon on it, you guys, and you know your girl loves her moons. Sun, moon, stars, I'm all for it. And this does have the chain that's adjustable. Okay, I think I got it. There we go. That is so pretty. It's just nice and dainty, and it's just a moon. Me personally, I just wish it was silver, but you know, but there's that. So there's that item, and again, that's valued at $37. That's more than this entire box, which I'll get to. Okay, so now we have there's some ball. Is this like a bath bomb? Yes, this is a bath bomb. Sink into warm bath to release and surrender to the universe flow during the next warning gibbous moon. This bath bomb features healing minerals and is scented with calming chamomile essential oils. This is valued at $6. Use coupon GP20 to save 20% off. Ooh, it's a big one. Save 20% off at tubtonics.wixsite.com/website. I can smell the essential oils. But that's really pretty. It has like some like goldish colored, like something like on it. I'm not sure. It smells really nice, like essential oils. And this is valued at $6. So we have that guy. Next, we have something in this bag. And this is, it's a dish towel. There's moons on it. So here is the dish towel, you guys. Look how cute. And those different moons. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. This is definitely gonna go in my kitchen, even though it doesn't really match with my Nightmare Before Christmas, but it's moons, you guys. And, or I could even use this as a cloth, like anywhere if I don't wanna use it as a dish towel. But it is 60% cotton, 40% linen. It's an 18 by 28. It's made in India. And this guy here says, Moonrise Designer Dish Towel. Decorate your kitchen with these sweet moon faces and plan your next moon eating meal with locally grown herbs and produce harvested during the current moon phase. And this is valued at $8. So there is this really cool dish towel. Okay, you guys, so now the last item, and this is the only reason why I got this box, and I'm so glad because I love everything else too. This is, let me remove the paper for you guys. Oh, I hear more in here too. So anyway, here's this little bag, and it says Moon Wisdom Crystals. Yes, Moon Wisdom Crystals. So you know your girl had to get these when I saw their spoiler for these, and I'm like, oh, those are moonstones. I have to have those. I have moon faces tattooed on me. I need those. I need those. So I signed up again, and I am so glad that I was able to get this box. So inside this, there is a Moon Wisdom Crystal Guidebook, and it goes over all of the different ones, and it explains to you the different moons and all of that stuff. And then on the back, it goes over ritual tools for full moons, for half moons, and all of that. So there's a lot of vital information on here. So I can't wait to sit down and go through and read this whole little pamphlet. But these, let me get the plastic off. Okay, you guys, this is the whole reason why I signed up. And these are $44 value. Did you hear me right? $44 value. So, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So we have all of these different stones. These here, they say Moon Wisdom Crystals by Goddess Provisions. I'm just going to show you the different ones as I read to you. Deepen your connection to the moon and its phases by working with this unique ritual and divination tool made from smoky quartz. So these are all made from smoky quartz. This set of crystals will act as an anchor to help you align with your lunar phase, as well as offer wisdom and guidance from your deep questions. And this is Moon Wisdom Crystals, again, valued at $44. And I just could not pass these up when I saw them, and I looked to see if you could buy them on their site directly, and I couldn't find them. So I'm like, oh, all right, I'm getting December's box. And the last one is the full moon. So this is the reason why I signed back up again, you guys. And I'm so happy because now, even if I feel like wearing gold one day, because some of my shirts honestly have like gold beads or like gold accent point. So if I ever wear something like that, then I can pull out a gold jewelry item to wear with it. And I really like this moon. So I'm actually really glad to have that. The only thing I'm not going to be using in this entire set is going to be the bath bomb, because I don't take baths. But I could probably put it in like a foot soaking thing, or I can give it to somebody who does and they can definitely use that. So yeah, they also do, and I always forget to tell you guys when I did this video, they also do give me a digital bonus. It says Me and the Moon Lunar Alignment Journal. Download the moon cycle tracking journal to record patterns of your flow, energy, mood, mindset, and more to gain more awareness of your personal phases and cyclical nature. And you download it, it tells you how to download it, and that is normally gives me a value of what that's valued at. But that one doesn't give me a value. Normally there would be like a value. So when I would add up the total, I would add that into the value. So if anybody was like adding it up as I go, it might have seemed like I put in a little bit higher because of the digital download. I would always forget to say in the video, but I added it in the price. I will add up everything and the whole total box value will be right here. Now, if you guys want to know a little bit more about Goddess Provisions, you can pause or cancel your your subscription at any time. Box highlights, you get 5 to 7 full-size products per box. Every box is valued between $80 and $100 typically of Goddess goodies. You get free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. It's just they have different shipping for different countries, but for the US, it is free shipping. $33 a month, or you can get it as low as $27.75 if you do a full 12-month prepaid for the whole entire thing. And they're always vegan and cruelty free, which that is amazing because that is very important to a lot of people. And everything that comes in any of their boxes is always vegan and cruelty free. So, and it's only $33 a month. So I paid $33 free shipping and I got all of this stuff. And what I really, really wanted is valued at $44. And this is 30 something. This is $37. The stickers are $5. This moon aromatherapy thing is $22. And then the bath bomb is $6. So way over the cost of the box. Way over. And I love the fact that I could read everything that was in this box and all of the writing on here. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this box? Are you glad that I got it? I am super, super excited that I was able to grab this December box. And now I'm like, it's just those things that make you go, I'm wondering if I should do another 3-month subscription to see what January, February, and March has in store instead of doing the one from that other company that I was gonna do. I'm thinking, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know. Do you want to see a few more of this one again? Because they just hit it out of the park for me this month. I'm super, super excited with what I got. Super, super excited. So let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys as well. So thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.